You ever get tired of fixing flat tires on your old mower? Let me show you how I fix these old tires using spray foam so you never have a flat again. These old dry rotted back tires on the rear of this machine, I spray foamed years ago and they have held up flawlessly. So this particular tire has a tube in it and we don't want a tube, so let's go ahead and take that out. Trash. Now in the place of where the original tube valve stem would go through in the rim, we're going to be installing just a plain old tubeless valve stem. These are about $1 a piece at O'Reilly's. And also, it's a good idea to go ahead and pick up one of these cheap valve core removers. Now most of these also are threaded to be able to screw onto your valve stem and assist in installing. So you can really give her the beans when you're pulling on it. It helps to spray a little bit of soap on this valve stem just to help it pop in there. Valve stem fully installed. Now next step is optional. That is to remove whatever is stuck in the tire making it leak. Now you don't have to do that because we'll be spray foaming it, but you might do it. We need to seat the tire back on the rim. Tire is seated. We're going to put a little bit of air in it just to make sure that it's nice and seated. Seems silly, but now we're going to let the air out of it. So grab your handy valve core tool. Just kidding. You got to drill a hole and then insert your spray foam stick. Now we're just going opposite of the valve stem. We're going to put a little bit of a bevel on our stick. Stick installed. I put it in there about 1 inch. Okay, spray foam time. I got the gaps and cracks. 1 can per this size tire. I think it helps to fandangle the tire around. Okay, she's full. Let's pull that out. Now normally I would plug this hole with a tire patch. Just your regular old tire plug. I'm out of them. So we'll use the next best thing. A screw. You could probably use the screw that you pulled out of the tire that was making it leak air. And we're gonna plug the hole. So now we need to put our valve core back in. Now be careful doing this if the tire is very dry rotted. You just wanna put a little bit of air in it because you don't want this thing blowing out its side. Look at that, we got a little extra bead lock there. So my screw's leaking a little bit, but we don't really care. We just wanted to make sure that tire would set up nice and even. And even if that air leaks down, it's not gonna matter because all that foam will be hardened up. Now you really need to wait 12 hours or so for this spray foam to fully set up before you put any weight on the tire. But then you got a cheap $5 tire fix that is lasting. I hope this saved you a little bit of money, or it was maybe educational, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Keep tingling.